for flight 976, contact Greensboro approach 126.6, good day.
Okay, 26.6 for flight 976, good night. Greensboro approach, for flight 976, 10,000 with Lima.
For flight 976, Greensboro approach, expect runway 23 left, clear direct Brant.
Okay, clear direct Brant for 23 left, for flight 976. So let's put that in there real quick. Approach, 23 left, 23 left, Brant.
Boy 3394, depart block heading 360, ventures to silence and then maintain 4,000.
So maintain 4,000, depart block 360, envoy 3394.
And then 19, I don't know if he's going to give me 24, 30.
American 1316, and then maintain 6,000.
Go to that Brant, how about that Brant? Let's do that one.
Approach Blue Streak 5194, level 9,000 with Lima.
Blue Streak 5194, Greensboro approach, expect runway 23 left.
23 left, Blue Streak 5194.
For flight 976, and then maintain 3,000.
3,000 for flight 976. I think I got the airport inside over there. I don't know for sure though. Greensboro's hard to find at night, unless you're lined up with the runway. When you come in at an angle like this, it's really tough.
For flight 976, Greensboro Airport, 11 o'clock and 13 miles.
We got it in sight, for flight 976.
For flight 976, clear visual approach, runway 23 left, contact tower 191.
Cleared visual 23 left over the tower for flight 976.
American 1316, and then maintain.
Greensboro Tower for flight 976, visual 23 left.
For flight 976, Greensboro Tower, 23 left, clear to land.
Clear land 23 left for flight 976.
November 4 Foxtrot Lima, runway 23 right, number 2, cleared to land following a Cherokee at about a mile final.
Captain site, clear land 23 right, number 2, Cherokee 4 Foxtrot Lima.
One to go. Okay, let's pull her on back. Lose some speed, get some flaps and get some gear, all that good stuff. Alright, speed checks, flaps are moving. Alright, speed checks, gear's coming down.
Autopilot.
Autopilot away. Speed checks for full flaps, they're moving.
Here's the tower, clear track 565, on the go, runway 23 right, right coast down.
Clear track 565, Greensboro Tower.
Alright, 3 green, no red lights are on, flaps are full. Everything's done except the yaw dam. I'm going to scooch over to the right just a little bit more. Here comes the localizer. I just don't want to send her up, does it? Visually, I think I look pretty center. Oh, there it goes.
Clear track 565, runway 23 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 23 right, clear track 565.
A little high on glide.
Tower 4 Foxtrot, Tower for 4 Foxtrot Lima, alright if you roll down to Hotel 2.
November 4 Foxtrot Lima, affirmative, and where do you park?
Alright, go back to Corey.
4 Foxtrot Lima, Hotel 2, Delta 1, hold short of runway 14, Delta 1.
Alright, Hotel 2, Delta 1, and we will hold short of runway 4 on Delta 1.
Alright, y'all dams away before landing checks are complete.
14.
Alright, hold short of runway 14. I'm not sure what I said, but I'm going to blame the hour.
Wind 2206.
The final is 23 left.
I stepped on someone. American 1316, Greenshore Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land, wind 2206.
Clear to land 23 left, American 1316.
500.
Checks. And 4 flight 976 going to the MRO.
4 flight 976, Roger. You can expect to, probably, y'all need to exit at Kilo 1.
Okay, thanks.
Tower, good evening, Envoy 3394, visual 23 left.
Envoy 3394, Greenshore Tower, 23 left, clear to land.
23 left, clear to land, Envoy 3394.
And 4 flight 976, actually, you can roll to Delta, and then Delta 1, hold short of Delta 1 on Delta.
Delta 1, hold short of Delta 1, 4 flight 976.